Hi, this is Rachelle, and since I can't go live right now, I decided to record a little video of what I'm working on. This is, as you can see, a product or food box. It's basically chipboard. So I've gone ahead and pulled it apart, opened it up, and I had these left over from another project that I was going to work on with them, and I'm kind of trying to decide if I should sand these or not before I use them. I don't think I need to. I think just gluing them down will be fine. So what I'm going to do is work on this cover. I think I'm just going to leave the spine intact that is there and just trim everything off around the outer edges. So I think that will work, and let's go ahead and just glue this down. This won't be a long video, and I may do a series of short videos like this. Just maybe a start to finish situation to show how to make a junk journal from beginning to end. And I think leaving the spine in place is probably the easiest option for this. You know, as slow as this glue comes out, it just makes me want to unscrew the lid and just plop out a dollop of it. So in case you don't watch my other channel, you may not know this, but I am not at home. I decided to stay with my mom during this. Oh, I got glue on my scissors. I decided to stay with my mom during this whole ordeal. So I'm kind of roughing it as far as my craft supplies are concerned. And I thought that I had my daughter ship me some things, and unfortunately I had a notebook that I keep all my stencils in, so I had her ship me the notebook. Well, I thought she shipped me the notebook, and I got everything yesterday, and I just went to open the notebook to get out some stencils to maybe do a little art journaling, and lo and behold, it's not the stencils. It was my templates, and unfortunately both of, let's see, both of the notebooks look exactly the same. So I don't have my stencils, not all of them. I did pick up a few, but I would really like to have my stencils and a few other things. So I'm kind of staying up. It's kind of a little late at night here. Staying up waiting for my son to get home so that I can talk to him, tell him where to find things that I want shipped. I am spending a fortune on shipping costs right now, but it's worth it for me to have something to do while I'm here. And like I talked about on my vlog, usually I overpack and just bring the whole house with me, and this one time that I don't do that is the time that I probably should have. Well, no, probably I should have. So I don't think I like this glue. I just like glue that's easy to get out. I mean, it's like a workout trying to squeeze this bottle to get the glue out of here. I miss my art glitter glue. It was so much easier. But I'm thinking once that container is empty, I will use it to put my art glitter glue in, see how it works. I just don't feel like I can get enough glue out at one time. I don't know. This is probably enough. But, and I probably should have put my craft mat under this. But, so I'm just gonna fold this up. Yeah, see, it's already buckling right there. So I'm probably gonna set something heavy on top of this, which I don't know what that could be. And then once it's dry, I'll trim the excess off. I think that's gonna give me some good sturdiness. And then I'm gonna let me take one of these now. Well, I don't have a choice, but this one, even though it's got this little tab in it, I'm gonna take that off and use it as my spine reinforcement. Why is this so difficult? But I need to trim a little off so that we can have room for the book to fold. So let's do that. And that's crooked. Something that I intended to do that I didn't do is add some duct tape, but I don't think it's too late. I really should have put it underneath these, but maybe this will help hold those down as well. This is some really old duct tape that I got from my mom. So let's see if we can use this. It's super sticky. Let's go ahead and put this down, and then I'll trim off the excess, and then we'll let it sit for a little while. Okay, I feel like I got a good amount of glue on there that time, especially since it's seeping out. At least I don't have to worry about it coming up. To cover it, I think I'm going to use these leftover paper bags. So I'm going to use this kind of like I did for this, and I used it to cover the chipboard that I used on this one, which was from a drink bag box. I used 2 boxes to make this cover. So, and I used the other part of this paper bag that my mom gave me. So I'm going to use that to cover this, and I may, instead of using fabric, I'm thinking I may actually paint this one. So I'm probably gonna crumble this paper up, and I won't do it on camera, but yeah, I'm probably gonna crumble this up, distress it a little bit, and then use it as a cover for this. Okay, so I am back. I have my craft mat here, and I have already opened up my Mod Podge. I have my Dollar Tree spatula. I decided to skip the tacky glue because my forearms will be looking like Popeye if I keep that up. But I've already crumbled up my paper bag. Let's see, I have room for this. So I am going to place this on here pretty much like so, and then I'll trim off the excess on the bottom, so that'll work. So I'm gonna go ahead. I was debating whether I should apply on the paper bag or the box, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and apply on the box. So let's flip this over. And lay it down as straight as possible. So that's gonna be it for this video. I'm sorry if I was out of frame. I have to get used to this setup, which is really not much of a setup, but anyway, I have to get used to the little space that I'm working in. But if you could see anything, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and leave a comment. And let me know if you're in a lockdown, under a stay-at-home order, what you're doing to keep busy while you're at home. If you're an essential employee, tell us how that's going. But yeah, I'm just curious how everyone is doing. I will be back as often as I can to work on this. which is pretty much, I have a lot of time on my hands right now. I'll talk to y'all next time. Bye.